How to set up the FRESKIM 4-line vending machine. Let us unbox the machine. Place the machine on a flat surface near an electric socket. Place the milk boiler near the machine and unbox it. Take out the keys. Open the front panel and remove the accessories from the canisters. Now remove the 4 canisters and drip tray box. Fix the tray securely in place at the base of the machine. Connect the water inlet and clean water using the water pipe. Plug in the machine and turn it on using the power switch. Open the milk boiler. Fill the first container with water and the second container with milk. Connect the machine to the milk boiler using pipes. Set the temperature to 80 degrees Celsius. Turn on the machine. Wait for heating 90 degrees Celsius. Start the auto cleaning process before the first use. Pour FRESKIM premix into the 4 canisters, tea, coffee, etc., and close the lids. Place the canisters into the machine. Ensure all 4 canisters fit properly into their respective hooks and alignment nozzles. Connect the canisters with mixing units using small silicone pipes. Lock the machine securely with the provided key. Place a cup on the tray below the nozzles. Press 1 for espresso. Press 2 for cappuccino. Press 3 for cafe latte. Press 4 for mochaccino. Press 5 for cardamom tea. Press 6 for kadak tea. Press 7 for hot chocolate. Press 8 for milk. Special functions for a half drink, press the plus sign followed by the drink number. Press the minus sign for hot water dispensing. Now, enjoy your beverage. When not in use, turn off the machine. Remove containers from the milk boiler. Drain containers and clean them properly.